Good morning, dear children. Today we will continue with the chapter 21, that is busy at work, our internal organs. Let's recall, children, what we have learned in the previous video. We have learned about effects of the smoking. We have studied about the alimentary canal. We have also done about the digestive system. Children, today further we are going to learn about the systems, energy for body, circulation of blood, the nervous system and other system in the body. Let's begin, children. Now children, do you know? The first question, why does our body need sufficient quantity of water? Yeah. Answer. A sufficient quantity of water is necessary for the process of digestion to take place properly as well as for the food to keep moving through the alimentary canal. If one does not drink enough water, one becomes constipated. That is, one passes hard stool or does not pass it regularly. Okay, children? Our second question is, why we must not eat in a hurry? Yeah, the answer is the upper ends of both the esophagus and the windpipe open in the throat next to each other. When food is swallowed, the windpipe remains closed. But when we eat in a hurry, the food may enter the windpipe and cause us to choke on it. That is the reason why we must not eat in a hurry. Okay, children? Even children, we must also avoid speaking and eating at the same time. Okay? Now, children, do you know? If we want healthy teeth, we need to look after them. Every tooth has a covering of enamel, which protects the delicate inner parts of the tooth. What is enamel, children, now? Yeah, enamel is the hardest substance in our body, but if we do not keep our teeth clean, even this enamel corrodes and teeth decay also. Okay? Children, while having our meals, we enjoy many different tastes and flavors also. We sense them using our tongue and nose, but sometimes we find that a food item tastes or smells bad. Why, children? Yeah, it may be because the food is spoiled. So, children, one should pay attention to such changes in food. In case the food has really gone bad, one can avoid eating it. Okay? Now, children, let's see system in the body. Children, what is system? Yeah, a group of organs which work together to carry out a function of the body is called a system. Children, you have seen in the previous video how several organs work together to bring about respiration. If even one of these organs does not function properly, the process of respiration will not be completed. Therefore, the nose, trachea, lungs, and the diaphragm together make up the respiratory system. Now, children, as a result of respiration, oxygen enters the blood in the body and spread to all the parts of the body. You know, children, because of respiration, oxygen binds to the blood cell and each blood cells then move to the entire body through a tube-like structure, that is blood vessels or blood capillaries. Substances formed in the process of digestion also mixture the blood and reach all parts of the body. Children, you have seen in the last video about digestive system. I have told you about digestion is completed in the small intestine, and this digested food which is there, it has to reach to the entire body. Of these, some substances act as a fuel for the body. So what is fuel? Yeah, children, fuel is nothing but some amount of energy. When the oxygen in the blood reaches the different parts of the body, it helps the slow burning of these substances, giving energy to the body. And the body uses this energy to carry out all its tasks. Children, without having food, we do not get energy. And if we do not have energy, we can't do any work. Or we always feel tired also, right? That is why we need to have energy to do all our regular activities. Now, children, we will see circulation of blood. The blood carries the oxygen obtained from the air and, and the energy giving substances in our food to all parts of the body. It means, children, the blood needs to be circulated. Why? Because it carries oxygen as well as nutrients and the other chemical also. But what keeps the blood flowing? Yeah, throughout the body. Do you know? Yeah, it is heart. Children, heart continuously contracts as well as relaxes. Now, children, how does heart do this? Yeah, children, heart is situated in the chest in between the lungs and heart pumps the blood to this. In heart there are networks of blood vessels which are connected, which you can see here, blue colored blood vessels as well as the red color blood vessels. Now the red color blood vessels are which carries what? Yeah, the oxygen, where blue colored vessel thread like structure, nothing but blood vessels. They carry what? Carbon dioxide along with the that is why along with them, that is why, children, as long as we are alive, the process of blood circulation goes on continuously, day and night. It means 24 by 7. Now, children, in short, we can say what is blood circulation? Yeah, the process of keeping the blood flowing through all parts of the body is called blood circulation. Okay, children. Now let's see nervous system, children. So what does this nervous system includes? Yeah, it includes your brain. Okay, children. Brain is present where? Yeah, in the cranial cavity or in your skull. So this brain controls all your bodily functions. Okay, and systems mainly. There is a network that connects the brain with all the different parts of the body, and this is a network of nerves that carry messages to and fro between the brain and the parts of the body. So, children, this nerves carries what? The signal to the brain, and that is from the different sensory organs, as we have 5 sensory organs. Okay, children? So, each of these sensory organs senses certain things. So, what is nervous system? In short, children, the brain, the network of nerves are together called the nervous system. and the nervous system functions to coordinate all our bodily function. So children, nervous system coordinates the activities of our body and it controls all our behavior, thinking and action. It passes information from one internal system to another. For example, children, when we put food in mouth, it causes release of saliva from the salivary glands. Now, do you know children? Drinking alcohol has many ill effects on the body. It affects the nervous system, leading to loss of control over the movements of the body and lack of coordination. For example, children, if you see any drunken person on the roadside walking, he will never be able to walk in a proper manner. All the time he will be shaking, right? Because the control over the movement of the body is not there, and therefore there is a lack of coordination in between this movement, and that is why it is dangerous to drive after drinking alcohol also. If one keeps drinking alcohol for a long period of time, it causes ulcer on the inner lining of the digestive organs. Now, what is ulcer? Yeah, it is an open sore on internal surface of the body caused by mucous membrane which fails to heal. It can also seriously affect the functions of the liver and kidney. Both is affect what? Kidney and liver. Okay, children? Now, children, there are several other systems in our body, that is skeletal system. The skeletal system gives support and shape to the body and protects the important organ inside it. For example, children, lungs and heart are protected by the rib bones, or we can say rib cage, correct? Next system is excretory system. Now, what is meant by this? Yeah. As you know, children, the excretory system expels the waste product or substances that are formed in the body. In short, the system that excrete waste from the body, for example, the system of organs that regulates the amount of water in the body and filters and eliminates from the blood the waste produced by metabolism. Okay, now children, it's time for recap what we have learned in this lesson so far, children. We have learned the first one, a group of organs that together carry out some function of the body is called a system. Next one, the nose, trachea, lungs and the and diaphragm are organs that form the respiratory system. Next one, the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus and certain glands outside the alimentary canal are the organs of the digestive system. Next, children, other systems like the circulatory system, the skeletal system, the excretory system also take care of other important function of our body. Next one, children, the nervous system coordinates all the functions of the body. And next, for us to lead a healthy life, all our system must function smoothly. Students, here we have completed lesson number 21. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Stay safe.